Welcome to another startup and complete car documentation. What we're looking at today is a 2014 Ram CV Tradesman. Now, I do already have one of these on my channel, but I figured because that video is over 2 years old and because these vans are pretty uncommon, I figured why not film this one too.
This CV is painted in bright white clear coat.
On the key, you have the buttons for lock, unlock, and panic. The front door panels have storage areas with bottle holders. And you get power windows, locks, and mirrors.
It has a two-tone black and light gray stone cloth interior.
Both the seats are manually adjusted. A little bit of storage next to the seat. Got nice rubber floors. But now that we're behind the wheel, let's go ahead and start the engine.
For 2011, the Ram nameplate was spun off from Dodge, and Ram became its own brand. From then on, Dodge would focus on being more of a fun performance brand, whereas Ram would focus on trucks and other durable work vehicles. Thus, the Dodge Ram pickup truck became simply the Ram pickup. At first, the Ram pickup and all of its variants were all the brand offered, so for 2012 they launched a new commercial cargo van to their lineup known as the CV, which is short, of course, for cargo van. Now, as you can tell by looking at it, the Ram CV is based on the 2011 to 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan minivan, but it has been repurposed into a cargo van for commercial purposes, along with being rebadged from a Dodge to a Ram. Therefore, the Ram CV only seats 2 people, with a massive cargo area in place of the Grand Caravan's second and third rows of seats. It also gets a reinforced suspension to handle the extra abuse. The Ram CV was produced overall from model years 2012 through 2015 with very little changes. The styling of the CV is just about identical to the Grand Caravan that it's based on, save for exterior badging and those metal panels where the rear windows would go, although they could be optioned out for traditional rear windows. It has a special aluminum cargo load floor with slide-resistant strips, and there was also a deluxe load floor option with underfloor storage bins. Although it is based on a minivan, which is a type of vehicle that isn't looked at by people as very durable, the Ram CV is actually quite a capable work vehicle, as, with a heavier-duty suspension over the standard Grand Caravan, it can tow up to 3,600 pounds and haul a payload of up to 1,800 pounds. I've also heard these are quite reliable. 2015 was the last year for the Ram CV, and it went on to be replaced by the ProMaster City as Ram's smallest cargo van, and that model is based on an internationally sold Fiat. The 2014 Ram CV only comes in one trim level, that being Tradesman. It also has one sole engine, transmission, and drivetrain combo, which is a 3.6-liter, 283-horse Pentastar V6 paired to a 6-speed automatic with front-wheel drive. Competitors for the Ram CV in 2014 included other small cargo vans like the Ford Transit Connect and Nissan NV200. In Ram's 2014 cargo van lineup, the CV is slotted below the full-size ProMaster.
The instrument cluster houses 4 analog gauges, which are your tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, and temperature gauge. And then you also have a small digital info display, which can be gone through via the buttons here on the steering wheel. Outside temperature, odometer, trip computers, distance to empty, that kind of stuff. It has a 3-spoke design, leather-wrapped, multifunctional steering wheel. As for controls, first of all, on the back of the spokes, you have your audio controls. They don't work on this one anymore because of the aftermarket head unit. And on the front of the spokes, you have your hands-free phone, voice control, information display controls, and your cruise control. The steering wheel is tilt and telescopic. The parking brake is foot operated. Your headlight switch, panel dim, climate vent for the driver. Right here you have your high beam, turn signal, and wiper stalk. Going down the center stack, right here is your whole radio interface. As you can see, this one's been fitted with an aftermarket Kenwood head unit. Your central climate vents, your column-mounted gear shifter, although it is still in the style of a floor shifter. Putting it in reverse does reveal a backup camera. I believe in stock form it would appear in the rearview mirror, although this one's had the aftermarket stuff hooked up, so it now is a bigger screen on here. Below that, you have all the controls for your dual zone climate control. Got your economy driving mode, hazard switch, and your traction control toggle. A little bit of storage. You have 2 cup holders along with a little coin holder. More storage along with 2 power outlets. Both the seats also have armrests. And then this one has a metal divider between the seats and the cargo area, which later in the video we will have a look at. The backup camera is extra helpful in this van because you need it. It has no rear windows. Some of the Ram Tradesmans do. This one is all panels, just like the other one I filmed a couple years ago. And that pretty much renders the rear view mirror redundant. So having that backup camera is extra handy. Upper and lower glove boxes. The lower one is lockable. Grab handle in the A-pillar. Both sun visors have vanity mirrors. Driver's one has a cover. Your overhead lighting. Sunglass holder. And carried over from the Grand Caravan, you have a little mirror to check on your passengers. That's also not the only thing rear passenger related carried over from the Grand Caravan that still provided to the now non-existent rear passengers. And here is that aftermarket Kenwood head unit. You can also bring up your reverse camera if you're not in reverse. All sorts of settings. Got different sources. But now, let's go ahead and take a look at the engine bay, but not before rolling down the driver's window. And the driver's window is automatic down.
The rims are 17-inch Steelies with hubcaps. Powering the Ram CV is Chrysler's Pentastar 3.6-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine. It's an all-aluminum power plant with dual overhead camshafts, 4 valves per cylinder, and variable valve timing. It produces 283 horsepower at 6,400 RPM and 260 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 RPM. Power is transmitted through a 6-speed automatic transmission with a manual mode to the front wheels. It is flex fuel compatible, so it can run on either regular unleaded or E85 ethanol. It has a 20-gallon fuel tank, and EPA estimates for the CV when running on unleaded gasoline are 18 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. Those numbers do drop quite a bit when running on E85. It has a McPherson strut front suspension and a torsion beam rear suspension. Stopping the van are 4-wheel disc brakes with ventilated front rotors. It can tow up to 3,600 pounds as mentioned before, and also haul a payload of up to 1,800 pounds. Curb weight is around 4,100 pounds.
As you saw earlier, the fuel cap is on the driver's side. And here is the cargo area. Single exhaust.
Cargo space in the Ram CV is 144.4 cubic feet.
And an interesting thing about this van is that because it is heavily based on the Dodge Grand Caravan, which is a 7-passenger minivan, you actually still have a lot of stuff carried over from that van, like the cup holders, storage areas for, where the third row seat would be, and you even have the coat hooks and grab handles, even though there are no passengers to grab onto them while you're driving. Anyhow, thanks for checking out this tour of this 2014 Ram CV. And as always, stay on the lookout for future tours.